Hi guys, welcome back to my corner. Today we are doing something very special. So back in December 2022, I went on Temu, I have no idea how you pronounce it. And I wanted to buy some stuff, and then I realized that they were not shipping to Canada. So I went on Wish instead and bought a bunch of stuff and did my Wish video, the last Wish video that you saw on my channel. And in February, they actually opened the shipping to Canada, so I was able to buy some stuff. So I went back and I bought a bunch of stuff. So today we are going to open everything. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button if you like the video, and let's go see what we have in the bag. So I bought everything on March 5th, received everything today on March 20th. I bought 19 things and it cost me, I think, $100. Yeah, 99.7 how do you say that? 99.79. Yeah, 99.79, so almost $100. The shipping was free, and yeah, so I really can't wait to open this to see what it looks like. Everything on YouTube seems to be kind of good reviews, so I'm really hopeful. So let's see. So there's a bunch of stuff here. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, there's a lot of stuff. So let me get everything out. A box completely open in the back. No. Oh no. Okay, I think I have everything. So I'm just gonna show you the box that was open completely. So let's start with this one. So I'm just gonna empty it. So basically it says all made of stainless steel. It's hemming clips and it's high quality and wear resistant. So it's clips like this. So when you sew, you can just put this on your fabric like that, and you have the measurement. So you know if your fabric is the same height everywhere. So I have a bunch of these, but they all fell in the bag. So yeah. So they seem pretty well made. It's metallic. It's pretty good. It's in inches, which is okay. Here we use centimeter and even more for sewing because it's more accurate, but that's good. So does it say how many? So it's 20 pieces, so 20 of them, and it was $10.79. So that's pretty good, I think. I think it's a good price, and I think they are really well made, so I'm happy. I can't wait to use them. Nice. Nice. I'm happy. Okay, let's see the next one. A sewing thing again. So it comes in this bag here. So it says 60 pieces. So these are, I'm going to show you just two of them, just to give you an idea. So these are bobbins. I don't know how you call that. So basically you use this to put in the bobbin and this to put around the I don't know what you call it, but that's pretty much like what you do with it, so you don't lose which one goes with which one, because if you sew, you know that your wires on top and on the bottom have to be the same, so it's very important to keep them together. So that's going to be super useful. Right now I'm using tie wrap and it's not very perfect, so I think it's gonna be really good. It was $4. So again, I have 60 pieces, so 30 of each. I think it's a pretty good price, I think. So next thing is this. So this is something that I lost when I think I was out for dinner and I lost it at the restaurant, and I don't know where they are. So these are arm warmer. So you put them like that. Where is the thumb? There you go, like this. So you put this like that. I took purple. There were other colors. They were $6. Pretty good price, I think. They are really well made. They are very pretty. There's no thread. It's pretty cute. So I'm always cold, so this is gonna be perfect. Nice, I'm happy. Yay! Nice. For $6, that's pretty good. So these are 3 pieces. It's 98 cents. It's 3 pieces, random color, metal button extension. So these are when you have like jeans or pants that don't fit anymore. These can extend your pants. So it's 3 random. So I couldn't really choose. Oh, it's cute. So I couldn't really choose like which one I would get, but they are pretty cute. Nice. So like I said, this was 98 cents for 3. I think it's pretty good. So like I said, it's to extend some pants. So I think I have another one that is black. Let's see if I have it. Oh yeah, it's here. So this one is black. I'm going to show you. The black one was 78 cents. And it's in fabric. The other one is more like, I don't know what it is, caoutchouc or something. This one is fabric. So for pretty pants, for instance, I think it's gonna be pretty good. And there's 3 holes. So that's elastic, look. Nice. That's really cool. Oh, I love this one. So for pretty pants, I think it's gonna be perfect. Nice. For $78, that's pretty good. Okay, next thing. This. So this was 98 cents. So you know what it is. So this thing, when I renovated my bathroom, I bought a round sink that was over the counter and a faucet, but it's not like long enough. So this, you put this on your faucet and the water just goes there, and yeah, you splash water less, it's supposed to. So we're gonna try it and see if it works. Oh yeah. So 98 cents. It's pretty good, I think. I wish it was more pink than beige, but what can I do, right? Next thing we have So I don't know if you're like me, but I have a lot of appliances, small appliances, and I have cords, but I don't have like anywhere to put the cord, and it's just, you know. So I bought a, how do you call that? A wire organizer. So you glue this with this on your appliances. Let's say this is my appliance. So you glue this like in the back, then you take your cord and you turn it around this, and then this thing in the middle, it's supposed to catch the end of the cord so it doesn't tangle. I think it's pretty cool. I think it looks sturdy. I really hope it glues well. If it works, it's gonna be really good. I'm gonna buy other if it works. This was 79 cents. So very, very cheap. Super happy. Okay, let's see what else. So this. So this was $4. So this is a mittens glove or whatever. So you put it like that. I have a Steam like our running thing, and sometimes I need to have like something behind, but if I have just my hand, I'm gonna burn my hand with the Steam. So I saw this and I was like, oh my god, I want one. So that's pretty cool. So you can just put your fabric on this and steam it. Does it work? We'll see. But for $4, I think it's pretty neat, and I can use it for other things. So nice. Alice is here. So let's see next. I'm going fast because there's 19 things. I don't want to, bore you or anything. So I don't know if you remember. So if you watch my channel, you saw that on Wish I bought something like that. It's pretty much the same fabric. This one seems more sturdy, more, yeah, I think it's better. It's not silk, let's be honest, but it's the same idea. I wanted to do a comparison. It's pretty cute. Let's see. The other one I use a lot. I really like it. Let's see this one. I think it's well made. Better than the other one from Wish. There's no thread. Yeah, I really like this one. Nice. And you can actually see how it was made. I like that. So that's cool. This was $2, $1.58. So that's a pretty good price. And there was no shipping. So Wish, it's around these prices, but you have to pay shipping for everything you buy. So if you have 19 stuff, you have to pay shipping for the 19 things that you bought. So the next thing we have is this thing. So this thing, I don't have a lot of counter, so when I cook, I never know where to put the pot lid. I have no place to put it. So I bought this. It's supposedly you put the cover here. We're gonna see if it works. The idea is that it drains in this thing here, and you just have to clean this. This is a utensil holder at the same time, so I think it's pretty cool if it works. I can't wait to use it, to see. My father is very excited to use it because it's very difficult to cook when you have the lid and you're just like, I don't know where to put this. It's really frustrating. It's really frustrating. I cannot say that word. Frustrating? Yeah, frustrating. So yeah. So this was $158, so very cheap. And it's sturdy. It's very thick plastic. It's not gonna break easily. Maybe this part here, but right now I'm not scared, so that's pretty cool. Let's see. Ooh, I saw something. So my father and I, we wanted one of these for a long time. We just didn't buy it. We don't see it when we go to stores, so we don't think about it and we don't buy it. So, but I saw it on Temu, so I decided to buy one. So it's a cutter, household scraper, cake flour, rice roll cutter with scale, baking tool. So basically you can cut your pastries, anything. You can just, you can use it for a lot of things. And there's measurement on it. So you actually have inches and centimeter. Nice. That's pretty cool. And again, it's very sturdy. Nice. That's super cool. And this was $228. $228. That's nothing. Wow. That's so cool. Okay. Let's stay in the bakery department. Oh, cool. There's a little bag. So it says popular brand. Popular brand. This is a silicone kneading mat. It's food grade. It's rolling mat, noodle mat, chopping board. Yeah. So when I do pastries, since I have no counter, I never know where to, roll my dough and everything. So I bought this. Don't break it. Ooh. Oh, it's a weird feeling. Oh, it's glued. I just want to see it. Oh, cool. Okay. So I don't want Alice to get to it because it's kind of sticky and she's losing a lot of hair. So, okay. So as you can see, there's rounds and there's measurement. I don't know if you can see. So when you do pastries, you roll your dough for pizza or stuff like that, and you want a special like size or whatever, you can use this. That's cool. I think it's a good material. Nice. It's very like okay, I'm gonna put it back because I don't want it to be like full of cat hair. Oh my god. I'm gonna try to put it back in this little bag if I can. Here you go. So I think this one was more expensive if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, this was $18, so 17 $98. You could pick pink or this blue. I picked the blue one just because I think it's a pretty blue, like a blue-green. So let's see the next thing. So I already have one of these, but mine is kind of broken and everything. So I bought another one. I really hope it's good. So it's a card holder. So you put your little cards here and you can just close it. So you know when you have cards like for, I don't know, for when you're shopping like at the grocery store or stuff like that, and you have point cards. This is for this. I think it's a good material. I think it's like, let's be honest, it's not like super great quality, but that's not the intent, you know. So this was $5. So as I said, it's not like super like great quality. It's not leather, but I think it's pretty good for the price. You know, the idea is not to have something super fancy, it's just to hold the cards. And it's extendable because there's 2 spots here, so I think it's pretty good. Nice. Okay. Oh yay! Okay, so the next thing is $178. No bag. So it says a cute cat adjustable black plated ring. So it's a little ring. It's super cute. I saw that. Oh, look. Look, it's super cute. Nice. It's kind of big, but as they say, it's adjustable. So I probably, okay, probably can make it a little bit smaller like that. So yeah, so that was $178. It's super cute. Really, really cute. Nice. I'm really happy about this. What do you want? You're talking? Tu veux manger? Je m'en viens. So my cat wants to eat, so I'm gonna go a little bit faster because he's looking at me like, yes, I want to eat. So the next thing, the cats are playing, so if you hear noises, they are running around. So this was $4. Look, it's super cute. So it's just to dry your hand. I thought it was super cute. What does it say? The artistry. The artistry. So you just put this on a hook and you can dry your hand like that. It's super soft. Nice. $4, super cute with the little orange tail. Super, super cute. So let's see the next thing. So my father and I, we had this idea of putting like greenery on the top of our cabinet. And I just wanted to see like what it looked like. So if I buy like maybe 2 or 3 more and put this in a basket, I think it's gonna be pretty cute. What do you think? I think it's pretty good. How much was this? So this was $2.78. That's nothing. Like if I go to Michael's, it's gonna cost me like $20 just for this. Like it's plastic. You can see that it's plastic, but it's just to decorate. Nice. I think I'm gonna buy maybe 2 or 3 more and see. The other thing we have is this. So this is for in the summer. I'm gonna show you. So you put this under your plants. Oh, it's a little bit crooked, or yeah, a little bit, but it's not that bad. So you put this under your plants, and what it does is, like, if you have strawberries, for instance, they just drop on this, or tomatoes, they don't drop on the soil and, you know, get nasty and disgusting. So if it works, it's gonna be pretty cool. Right now I cannot show you because it's not even spring. It's spring today, like officially, but upstairs it's not spring. So this was $2, $28. So yeah, so it's pretty sturdy, I think. And it comes with these. So that's cool. So like for $2.28 to be able to like not lose fruits and vegetables, I think it's pretty good. So the next thing, my cat is looking at me like, I want to eat. Are you coming? I bought another bag. A yellow one. Oh, it's so small. It's so cute. Oh. Oh, I think it's really well made. Look. The stitching looks good. There's embroidery on the front. This is so cute. There's a zipper on the back here. Nice. Oh, that's so cute. So this is what's inside. So it looks kind of big. Nice. And this is the strap, and there's a little bit. There's a little. Oh, I thought it was a butterfly, but it's a flower. It's even better. So I guess you put this somewhere. I'm not sure, but. So this was 1939. So this is the picture of like what it's supposed to look like. I think it's pretty on spot. Nice. Oh wow, I think Temu is really good. Nice, I'm super happy. Cool. It's smaller than I thought, but I think it's pretty good anyway. So the last thing, let's see if I can open this. So this I saw on Temu, and I was like, oh my god, I want it. I want it so much. Oh no, I cannot open this. Okay, let me see if I can open it. Oh, okay, so, oh my god. So, it's on canvas. So it's the scream, but it's a cat screaming. I thought it was so cute and so funny. And it's printed on canvas. So I could just maybe like put it on a frame, a wooden frame, or I don't know how I'm gonna use it exactly, but I think it's super cute. Oh my god. And it's well printed. Like really, really well printed. There's no pixels. That's so cool. I'm sold, completely sold. So this was $12.98. It's 1969 inches by 2756 inches. It's so good. It's so good. I'm so like, if I can buy another one, maybe for my job, maybe not the same one, but like just to put it on the wall at my job, I think it could be really cute. So yeah, so I am super excited, super happy with everything that I got. I think everything is really good. Like, what do you think? I really want to hear like what your thoughts are, because I feel like everything was good. I think it's better than Wish. It was not hard to be better than Wish, but like for the prices to be this low, to pay nothing for shipping, to have all of this, I mean, I think it's super cool. We're gonna see like sturdiness and stuff like that to see if it's worth it. But right now I'm super happy, super surprised. I'm very satisfied. So tell me in the comments, like, what's your favorite items? I want to know. I want to know what you think. Did you buy on Temu? Do you know Temu? Do you know like what's the deal with them? So thank you for watching, guys. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see what I do next. And of course, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Tell me what you think. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.